In today's video, I am going to teach you how to style headers on Squarespace. To begin, open any page on your Squarespace site and click Edit in the top left corner. This puts you into editing mode so you can access the design controls for your site header and make visual changes safely before saving them. Next, look to the top right corner and click the paintbrush icon. This opens Site Styles, which is where Squarespace keeps your main design settings for things like fonts, colors, spacing, and overall visual appearance. Once the Site Styles panel opens, select Fonts from the menu. Then under Global Styles, click Headings. This is where you can control how your header text looks. Adjusting the heading font here helps create a consistent style across your site, especially if you want your branding to feel more polished and intentional. After that, return to the main Site Styles panel. From there, click Colors. This section lets you manage the color themes used throughout your website, including the colors that affect your header area. Now, find the theme that matches your header block and click the pencil icon next to it. That opens the editing options for that specific color theme. Scroll down until you reach the Site Header subsection. In this area, you can customize the colors for your site title, navigation links, and any action buttons that appear in the header. Take a moment here to choose colors that are easy to read and match the rest of your site design. When your colors are set, move to the floating toolbar and click Design. This section allows you to choose a layout structure for the header and adjust spacing between elements. This can help make your header feel cleaner, more balanced, or better suited to the amount of content you have in it. Then click Style in the same toolbar. Here you can change the header background style. Squarespace gives you options like solid, gradient, or dynamic. A solid background keeps things simple and clean. A gradient can add a bit more visual depth, and a dynamic background can create a more modern look depending on your site style. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save in the top left corner of the main toolbar. This applies your header changes and updates your site design. That covers everything you need to know.